So it's still winter, so all of this is a beautiful flower vine. It grows against our fence. And as you can tell, it's kind of like a grapevine, so they have really good sticks, see, on them. So I did cut them off, and then I put them in the bathtub. So I put them in the bathtub so they can soak. They're in water, they've been there overnight, so they loosen up and easier to form. So I started forming them into a wreath, but I started putting these ties on them so that it would hold them in place, because it takes a few weeks for them to dry. So I'm going to continue and wrap these around and form a wreath. So I just took another one out of the bathtub, and I like how these stick out. I kind of put them in between, like, maybe I should go this way. And then I twist them around and tuck them in. And then I think I'll put a tie here. You just kind of keep going around and around until you have the size that you want. And I'm gonna have to keep to shape it. Okay. So we're just intertwining, and you keep doing it until you have the size that you want. And I will show you when I'm done what it looks like. So I ran out of reeds, but you can see I put a lot of twist ties on there to kind of keep it in shape. But then I got this bucket, it was about the same size to keep the round if I pushed it all the way down. So I'm gonna leave this on here for a couple of weeks, and hopefully it will have the right shape. I've never done this before, so this is a first, and hopefully we'll have a beautiful wreath. And I'll show you what we do with the wreath after that.